If you are using fenugreek water for hair growth, you may actually be doing it wrong, because there is a much more powerful way to use fenugreek that most people do not know about. And once I started using it this way, my hair routine completely changed. My shedding reduced, my scalp felt healthier, and my hair started feeling stronger. So if you have been struggling with hair fall or slow hair growth, this may really help you a lot. Now, our first ingredient is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed is not just for hair growth. It's actually going deeper into the scalp and helps wake up weak or inactivate hair follicles. That means if your hair is thinning, shedding, or not growing properly, fenugreek helps to strengthen the root from inside. Fenugreek contains protein that can help to strengthen your hair, help you to achieve a lot of faster growth and healthy hair. So if you can get patient and watch this video to the end, you will never regret it, because I will show you some of the powerful ingredients you need to combine together with fenugreek, and you grow your hair like never before, taking up that your thinning hair, stop breakage, and so many of them. Your hair will grow like crazy. I'm not kidding. Just keep on watching, okay? So what I'll be doing now is to scoop out 1 tablespoon of my fenugreek seed, transfer it into my clean jar. If you don't have fenugreek seed, you have fenugreek powder, you can as well use 1 tablespoon of it. So let's move on to our second ingredient. Now, our next ingredient is rice. Rice is where things get really interesting. Rice contains a powerful compound that helps repair damaged hair strands from within. So instead of your hair break easily, it becomes stronger, smoother, and more resistant to damage. That is why people who use rice treatment often notice their hair feel thicker and stronger. So I'm just using 2 tablespoons of my raw rice. Please use any type of rice you have, okay? After measuring that 2 tablespoons into my jar that contains the fenugreek seed, so the next thing now is pour in my hot water. I'm going to infuse this for overnight or 12 hours. So you can also prepare this by boiling it, okay? But I like doing infused method. If you are OG on the channel, you know that I love doing infused method. The main reason of boiling it or infusing it for 12 hours or overnight, so that these 2 powerful ingredients can release the nutrients properly, okay, into the water. What we need is only the water. So if you do not infuse them for longer time or boil them with very low heat, so you not kill the nutrients, you not get that good powerful results you're supposed to achieve, okay? So if you are doing infused method, I would advise you to infuse it either 12 hours or overnight. Do not infuse it less than that, okay? So that this is a dry ingredient, so that they can release their nutrients properly into the water, okay? So that all the nutrients of these 2 powerful ingredients are released inside the water, making this water that super powerful treatment we are looking for. So once it's overnight, this is what I have so far. I bring my bowl and my shifter to strain it out. So the next ingredient I'll be adding to this to make it very powerful, very potent, is aloe vera gel. If you don't have fresh aloe vera gel, you can use store bottle aloe vera gel, okay? Aloe vera is like healing of your scalp. It helps to calm irritation, reduce dryness, and deeply hydrate the scalp. And when your scalp is healed, your hair has a better environment to grow. Don't joke with this treatment, okay? Make sure you add every single thing I add in this, okay? So the next ingredient I add is my vitamin E. You can add vitamin E capsule or vitamin E oil. Anyone you have, you are good to go. And this is the part most people ignore: vitamin E. Vitamin E is very, very important. Vitamin E helps protect your hair from damaging and keep your strands strong. It also helps to lock in moisture and support healthy hair growth over time. But here is the real secret. It's not just those ingredients on their own. It's what happens when you combine them together. Fenugreek strengthen your roots, rice repair your strands, aloe vera heal your scalp, and vitamin E protect everything. So instead of working on just one problem, this spray is working on your hair from all angles at the same time. And that is why this mixture felt different, because it's not just growing your hair, it helps your hair become stronger, healthier, and more resistant to breakage. So now let me tell you how to use this spray on your hair. This spray is a leave-in treatment, it's not a rinse out treatment. If you want to get good results, please spray this on your scalp, directly on your scalp. Massage your scalp very well. After massaging your scalp, make sure you follow up with your leave-in conditioner and your oil to see in the moisture. Is very important. And do not skip to massage your scalp, because scalp massage really help this product to grow faster, work very faster on your hair, and stimulate blood flow to your scalp. Okay, so you can use this spray 3 to 4 times in a week. Do not rinse it out if you want to see faster results. I kid you not, this treatment with fenugreek can grow your hair like never before if it can only be consistent. Remember, consistent is the key. Do not use this once and you expect the magic to happen. This is a natural product, but whether natural or no natural product, there is no product you use once and you see crazy results. So if you want to use this particular product to grow your hair, stop your breakage, thicken up your hair, and see healthy hair, please be consistent with it. From 1 month to 2 months, you will never recognize your hair. I'm not kidding, okay? A trial will convince you. So guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. If there's anything I did not cover up, please let me know in comment section below. Please do not forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, okay? Like this video and share to your family and friends so that they'll also know how to use fenugreek seed properly to grow their hair without using it in a wrong way, and they will be very happy you share this recipe with them, okay? So guys, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.